Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel. In my previous video of max function, I promised to get back to you with some compiled function used along with max formula, and here it is. Today we are going to learn how to force negative numbers to 0 with max function. Friends, if you haven't watched that video, you can check the I button and the description box. There I will give you the link of that video. Watch this video till the end to get to know the max formula briefly. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notifications from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing. Friends, I have already created a file previously to save time. Let's open that. Here it is. Friends, please check the description box after the video ends. I will share the link of this file there so you can download it from internet. So today we are going to learn how to force negative numbers to 0 along with uses of max function in another form. To force negative numbers to 0 without affecting positive numbers, you can use a formula based on max function. In this example shown, the formula will be like this. Look at here carefully. Equals to max. Obviously we are going to use the max formula, which returns the largest value in sets of values. Then open the first bracket. Then we are going to give an equation there to calculate itself, so that we don't need this range here. So we are giving an equation like we are subtracting 15 from 20 in this range. So we are typing C5 minus B5. Then put a comma here. It will give you an equation of subtraction formula. After that, carefully input a 0 here. Then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here, it is showing the result as 5. But if you copy the formula from upside down like this, look at here, where it is positive number, it is showing the positive number, but where it is negative number, it is showing the result as 0. So let's check how this formula actually works. This formula takes advantage of the fact that the max function works fine with small sets of data, even 2 values. Inside max, the value in C5 is subtracted from the value in B5. If the result is positive, max will return the result as it is, since positive numbers are always greater than 0. But if the result is negative, max will return 0 as result. This formula is a clever way to avoid more complicated if formula. You can use the minimum and maximum function to replace if when you want to return the smaller or greater of 2 values. So that's all for today friends. I will come back soon with another video of max formula and many more surprises in my channel. Stay with us, subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Keep learning, keep supporting and stay tuned.